Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change currency in Zerion Wallet. If you want to change your currency on Zerion Wallet, then the process is quite simple. Simply go ahead and launch Open Zerion Wallet app from your app drawer and enter your passcode to unlock your wallet. Once you're in the main homepage of Zerion Wallet, tap the Settings button at the bottom right-hand corner, which will open up the Settings menu. From the Settings tab, scroll down and tap on Preferences from the list. Under Preferences, tap on Currency. Select the currency you'd like to change to for your Zerion wallet. Once you are done, you have successfully changed your currency on Zerion Wallet. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.